English Indonesian. Where is equals
Di mana?
travel phrase power up. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey traveler, ready to find everything without getting lost? Let's make directions your superpower. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tools. Today you'll master the English Indonesian travel essential. Where is, which is.
Di mana?
We'll keep it funny, fast, and super usable the moment you land. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll ask for places like a pro, clear, polite, and confident. Say this out loud.
Di mana?
Break it down. D equals at, in, mana equals which, where, together.
Di mana?
Means, where. Compare. How is.
Bagaimana?
When is.
Kapan?
Different questions, different superpowers. Mini dialogues. Listen, smile, and repeat after me. You've got this. You, excuse me.
Di mana? Kamar mandi.
Local.
Di lantai 2, belok kanan.
You, hi.
Di mana? Stasiun.
Local.
Di sana, jalan lurus, lalu kiri.
You.
Di mana? Hotel.
Merpati. Local.
Cek alamat di peta itu.
Point and ask drills. Now you try. Fill the dots with places you need, short, clear, friendly. You say.
Di mana? Alamat.
Cafe Terbaik? You say.
Di mana? Stasiun.
Terdekat? You say.
Di mana? Hotel.
Paling Dekat? Contrast cheat sheet. Where is.
Di mana?
Here is.
Di sini.
There is.
Di sana.
Pro tip. Point with an open hand, raise your eyebrows, and say it clearly.
Di mana?
Quick quiz. Speed round. Answer out loud, no pressure, just fun. Q1. How do you say, where is, in Indonesian? A.
Di mana?
Q2. Pick the Indonesian for, where is. A. What is it? B.
Di mana?
C.
Kapan?
Answer. B. Q3. True or false?
Di mana?
Means, how are you? Answer. False. Bonus. Say the trio.
Di sini. Di sana.
And.
Di mana?
Go. Culture tip. Polite wins. A smile plus a tiny phrase goes a long way. Before you ask, say.
Permisi.
Excuse me. In markets or a cozy.
Warung.
Point to a map or sign and ask.
Di mana?
Try.
Di mana? Toilet.
Or when looking for an entrance.
Di mana? Gerbang.
A. If they answer with gestures, listen for.
Di sini.
Here, and.
Di sana.
There. Speed challenge. Ready for a fun blast? Beat the clock. In 3 seconds, ask for the bathroom. Go.
Di mana? Kamar mandi.
Ask for the station, here, or there.
Di mana? Stasiun. Di sini.
/
Di sana.
Bonus follow-up. Ask the hotel question, then, how, and, when.
Di mana? Hotel. Bagaimana? Kapan?
Buka? Lightning recall. The base phrase is.
Di mana?
Wrap up. You crushed it, directions unlocked. Today you learned.
Di mana?
Plus helpers.
Di mana? Di sini. Di sana. Kamar mandi. Stasiun. Hotel. Alamat. Bagaimana?
And.
Kapan?
Thanks for listening and keep practicing in short bursts. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, quizzes, and free downloads. See you next time. Happy exploring.